Stop looking at your trash and start seeing your bespoke legacy. That old denim? Those discarded textiles? They aren't waste. They are the raw soul of your next breathtaking masterpiece. Today, we're performing Material Alchemy to turn the mundane into the extraordinary. Let's unlock the designer secrets of the green revolution. Your sanctuary starts here. Hello, my beautiful community of mindful creators. I'm Beki, and welcome back to Beki Décor. We live in a world increasingly conscious of its footprint, but in this studio, we believe sustainability is the ultimate playground for high-artistry design. Today, we are diving into the world of recycled fabric art and eco-conscious creations. We're moving from no longer loved to stunningly curated, proving that organic minimalism and conservation are the new standards of luxury. Let's weave a story of creativity together. The Sustainable Masterpiece Designer Secret 1. The Fabric Revelation, Tactile Integrity. We begin with the fabric revelation. Most see old jeans, I see linear rhythm. By deconstructing high-quality natural fibers like denim and linen, we honor the tactile integrity of the material. This is the first step in our green revolution, seeing the magic in the mundane before we ever touch a needle. The Sustainable Masterpiece Designer Secret 2. The Avant-Garde Silhouette, Structural Artistry. In 2026, art must have architectural weight. Instead of a flat canvas, we are building an avant-garde sculpture. By layering discarded textiles over a structural frame, we create a breathtaking silhouette that makes people stop and stare. This is functional art that challenges our perception of waste. The Sustainable Masterpiece Designer Secret 3. The Denim Tapestry, Material Alchemy. Indigo is the color of the soulful sanctuary. We are turning yesterday's attire into tomorrow's bespoke masterpiece. By grading the washes of old denim, we create a textural depth that mimics a high-fashion tapestry. It's a quirky, eco-friendly twist on traditional art that adds visual soul to any room. The Sustainable Masterpiece Designer Secret 4. The Mixed Media Fusion, Compositional Continuity. Art is a gentle reminder of our responsibility. By fusing recycled fabrics with plastic or paper, we create a material dialogue. This mixed media fusion ensures compositional continuity, telling a story of innovation. Every scrap is a paragraph in your home's story of sustainability. The Sustainable Masterpiece Designer Secret 5. The Shadow Architecture of Textiles, Atmospheric Curation. To elevate your art to designer status, you must consider shadow architecture. When we create 3D fabric art, the way it catches the light creates an atmospheric glow. The folds and frays aren't mistakes, they are breathtaking highlights that give the piece movement and life. The Sustainable Masterpiece Designer Secret 6. The Legacy Finish, the Senior Expert Secret. The final designer secret is the frame. To signal that this is high artistry, pair your recycled creation with a high-end, sustainable frame. This contrast between the discarded material and the polished boundary creates a show-stopping highlight. It's the ultimate testament to mindful stewardship. Before you go and raid your closet for your next masterpiece, I want to say a heartfelt thank you to this mindful community. Every time you choose to create instead of consume, you are helping us craft a brighter, more sustainable future. If you're ready to join the green revolution, hit that subscribe button and share your fabric revelations with us in the comments. Let's keep weaving these tales together. Remember, waste not, want not is more than just a mantra. It's a way of life. Your art is a testament to the infinite potential of the human spirit and our responsibility to this planet. Practice your material alchemy, trust the story in the scraps, and create your breathtaking sanctuary. I'm Beki, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Stay inspired.